In this video, we will examine the various icons and indicators found in the GCdocs web interface. You will most likely recognize the different document icons such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Project, Visio, Adobe PDF, and several others. If an item is reserved by a user, the icon will show an orange checkmark indicator. The indicator will disappear once the item is no longer reserved. Shortcuts are indicated by a blue arrow at the top left corner of an icon. There are several other indicators found to the right side of an item's name. The gray arrow is of course how we access the Functions menu. The gold ribbon indicates a newly created item. The circular arrow indicates an item that has recently been modified. And finally, this diagram icon is the item's records detail. And this concludes our summary of the icons found within the GCdocs web interface.